Hi, kindergarten, Mrs. Munroe, and I'm going to show you, we're going to talk about all the different ways that you can show 6. So I've got my piece of paper, and I'm hoping you have a piece of paper at home. And let's start by folding it into 4 boxes on one side and 4 boxes on the other side. So one big fold, corner to corner, okay? And then another fold in the middle, corner to corner, and there we are. Okay, so all the different ways that we can show 6. Now, you guys are working on the table, but I'm working on the whiteboard, so I'm going to tape it right there. And the first thing we're going to do is we put our name on there. So you put your name on, and I'll put my name on. Okay, there we go. Now, we're going to show 6, so let's do the number 6, the numeral. The number 6. Can everybody do the number 6? Awesome. Now, down in this box, I want you to do a domino. So I'm going to show you what we start with when we make a domino. Big rectangle with a line in the middle with 2 spaces. Just like that, a domino. So this domino has got 4 at the top and 2 dots at the bottom, and together that makes 6. So let's write that domino down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 at the bottom. It's a diagonal. So we could have done, we did 4 and 2. We could have done 3 and 3. We could have done 5 and 1. Or 6 and 0. We made our choice. Okay. So how about fingers? How do we show 6 with our fingers? Okay. I have 5 fingers in this hand. And what do I need to make 6? 1 more. 5 and 1. Can we do 4 and 2? 4 and 2. That's harder for Mrs. Munroe. My fingers don't like doing that. So I think I'm going to do 5 and 1. There we go. So try to make all your numbers fit right in there. You can be a little creative. They don't have to be perfect. 5 and 1. You have smaller fingers than me, though. You might be able to fit it in that box. Okay, so now I'm going to turn the paper over and finish our numbers on the other side. Mrs. Birch, could I have another piece of paper? Mrs. Birch is going to bring me another piece of paper because this is very messy on the back. I need to fold this one again. Thank you. Okay, there we are again. Now you're just doing it on the back of your paper, but I got a new one because it was very messy. Okay, so let's show 6 in some more ways. All right, so why don't we start with a 10 frame on this side. So here's our 10 frame toys, the math set. So we're going to draw a 10 frame with 10 boxes. Big rectangle, line down the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's not perfect, but it's just fine. So now we need to fill in 6 boxes on the 10 frame. So let's start on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 on our 10 frame. Now, does anybody remember what these are? That's dice. So let's see how we can make 6. And we can use 1 dice and put 6 dots. Or we can do 2 dice and we can put some dots in each one. So let's think about it. Just like our dominoes, we could find different ways of saying it. If I put 3 dots on this one, how many more dots do I need to make 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 and 3 make 6. 5 and 1. And just like our dominoes on the other side, 4 and 2. Okay. How about tallies? Let's think about how we can do tallies. A tally 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bundle it up, 5. And 1 more makes 6. There we are. Now, the very last thing. I think most children like this one the best. You can do 6 by making 6 little pictures of something. So let me see. What can we do? I'm going to make 6 flowers. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. You could make 6 stars. You could make 6 happy faces. That's probably the easiest. 6 hearts. 5, 6. Well, there you go. 6 in 8 different ways. We did, 10 frames. We did dice. We did tallies and pictures. We did the numeral. We did dominoes, and we did fingers. All different ways that you can show 6. Thank you, kindergarten. So make one for us and send it back to school. Thank you.